Welcome to our NextKeeper application screencast. Understanding and constructing maritime flag signals can be crucial in situations when all your electronics fails, or you or the signaling station have language problems. This application contains the full International Code of Signals database and knows the proper signaling technique, including the usage of substitute and code flags. The application starts in interpretation mode. This mode is used when the other station sends you flag signals and you want to understand them. In this mode, you enter flags by selecting them from a list of flags on the right-hand side of the screen. Selected flags are then inserted into a list of hoisted flags in the middle of the screen. This list is editable. If you tap and hold your finger on a flag, then a dialog is displayed with different editing options. Thus, you can enter new elements or remove existing ones. As you enter the flags, a rough syntactical analysis runs on them and formal problems are reported. When a message contains numerous additional information, for example coordinates, numbers, names of places, the complete message is sent in chunks, so-called hoists. At the end of each hoist, you have to check the completeness of the chunk. Let's make an example here and enter the flags Y and P. It is correct. Now enter jib. Sorry, I made a mistake, so I removed this one. Okay. As this is the end of the message, we'll interpret it with all its additional information. The other mode is when you want to send messages. The ICS is divided into two main parts, generic and medical parts. The application contains both parts and is structured the same way as the original ICS book. You can open and close chapters, paragraphs, and scroll it, or just read some messages. The most powerful part is that you can search both lists for any term. After the search, only those messages and their section and chapter descriptors remain in the list which were matched by the search criteria. Tapping on the structure will open or close the given chapter, or tapping on a message will select the element for sending. Let's have an example and search for the term boat. And after the search, let's scroll down to serviceable. That's here, this one. Let's select it. After the selection, a new page is opened with the message and some editable controls. After filling out the control, let's say I have two boats, and clicking on the Generate Flags button, we'll receive the flags what we have to hoist. After getting acquainted with the application, you will see how easy it is to use. The search is very robust and works as a full text search, hunting for matches in any part of the ICS database. Thank you for your attention. I hope you enjoyed this short presentation.